strapped at half a piece.
Okay.
Box 9 cubes at 32 hertz.
Yep.
Adjustment 252.
Nice.
And JS 370.
Wow. So that's a triple stack box. Wow. Well, two of the that looks good, man. I like it. Are you happy with it? Nice.
Just got the second amp on them just a couple days ago.
Really?
So yeah.
Okay. What are these amps wired to impedance wise?
Half of 0.67.
0.67.
So yeah, half.
Okay. And do you know your cubic space tuning or anything like that?
9 cubes, 32.
32. Okay. Any SPL burps just for fun to see?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Thank you. Can I come in? How you doing, man? I have to get all the info from you first. Jacob Isle. Oh, I'm sorry. Bases breaks everything, man.
Oh no, you good. You good. Ain't gonna shut you, bro.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
They ain't gonna shut you. Good.
We're good? Good. And your battery's underneath it?
Yep, this is C-Max 45 now. It's still waiting to get to the second one.
Okay.
Think about trying them new sales that Cobra just came out with.
Yep. So your door's not shut. Do you want me to try to shut it?
You can, no, you keep it open.
Keep it open?
Matter, yeah.
And you're breaking everything.
Worse than last time.
Oh yeah. All right. Anything on your door speakers for 4 or 2 channels?
Oh, yeah, Wolfram AW250x4.
Okay. All right. All right. Running at 15 volts. Is there a way I can see the back? Nice. You know, what'd you say it was tuned to again?
32.
32. It was playing down to mid 20 hertz really well, yeah. Yeah, let me know, man. Are you doing any plans with your roof?
Yeah,
it's tearing up.
Yep, that's what I just put this in here because I seen it was moving like that, so I just tried to knock that in there real tight.
Yeah.
That's not even up straight, but I'm gonna figure something out. I had a board and foam in that before, but it broke once I got on the power.
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Quade's system. He was showcasing at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2023 TDH show. Be sure to give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. Really impressive to see how loud this system got for some 12-inch subwoofers. Really efficient box build as well, being triple baffle. Didn't really see a lot of actual baffle flex, but everything around the vehicle and the inside and out of the Blazer was pretty much tearing apart. It was pretty insane. So if you notice, he had his subwoofers up, port back, most optimal, and looks like the way he has his box placement with a little bit of a bracing spot to kind of hold the box in place from sliding help, as well as on top of the box, adding that extra little panel there instead of a wooden roof. Every little bit helps. Anything you can do to stop flex usually helps SPL score, as well as a little bit louder. Of course, not everybody wants to tear up their vehicle from base, but this system is doing it because he's got 15,000 watts between 4 12-inch subwoofers. That's not probably what he's clamping, but that's how much power he was running before Ryzen and pulled impedance changed. And if you didn't find out, these are the amplifiers, the Wolfram 7500s. I don't think he actually mentioned that in the video, so I figured I'd mention that. And if y'all ever have any questions about car audio, feel free to reach out on my Facebook or Instagram, Jacob Vile, as well as give me a like. And we're about to get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on Jacob Vile. And enjoy this impressive Blazer demo. His 412s are really tearing up his vehicle. Pretty insane to see how loud they got.
I got some niggas with DJ Home, Joe in the Quade, and me, myself, and man. We playing up by the hotel, we going down. Kill your fuck in this motherfucker, put your middle fingers in. You don't give a fuck about that other clip, nigga. You know what time it is. Hey! Hey, now put your pen up for you don't put your pen up for you don't
Okay. Whew.
Yeah, man. Definitely a big
Wow.
difference in the second one for sure. Let me get started now right here.
One more. All right.
Add it up, I just ate a plate for breakfast. Put it in a
sure that them subs are, I don't know how they're hitting it with the power, man. They're pushing them. I appreciate it, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.